First number is the same. Change it to addition. We change the number of our second sign, the sign of our second number. Our answer is the same. So we can use this idea in more complicated scenarios. Let's have negative 14 minus negative 32. Okay, well, we want to solve this. When there's a lot of different signs, it can get confusing, so we'll just follow our process. The first number stays the same. We change it to addition. We change the sign of our second number. Well, this is just an addition problem that we know how to do from the previous thing we looked at. So the biggest number is 32, so our answer is going to be positive. And then we just do 32 minus 14 to get our answer, which is 18. So we know that negative 14 minus negative 32 is 18. Let's do one more with a more, there we go, complicated numbers. Same thing. First number stays the same. Change it to addition. Change the sign of the second number. You already know how to do this. You just add the two numbers together. Ta-da! Alright, so we've looked at addition and subtraction, and now we're going to look at multiplication and division. Multiplication of integers is pretty easy. If we have, say, 6 times 8, that's 48. Let's say negative 6 times 8. What you do is, if you have one negative, just an odd number of negatives, I guess. Have one negative, it makes it negative. If we have two negatives, it makes positive. And then if it was, say, 6 times negative 8, that's only one negative again, so it'll be negative 48. Let's rearrange how I've got this. Okay, so here, we just know positive 6 times positive 8 is positive 48. If we add one negative to our problem here, then it adds a negative here. And just like here, there's been one negative added, so it makes it negative. If we make two negatives, the negatives cancel each other to make a positive. And I'll show you, well, intuitively you'll understand why this works, but I'm going to give you a little mnemonic to help you out. Let's say plus means good and negative means bad. When good things happen to good people, that's good. When good things happen to bad people, we're going to say that's bad. When bad things happen to good people, that's bad. And when bad things happen to bad people, that's good. It's just a way to remember it. Okay, so let's back up and do something a little more complicated. 53 times 48. Okay, well, the answer is going to be negative because we've got one negative there. And then we just do it like normal. Got negative 2,544. If we want to do something even more complicated, okay, there are two negatives, so our final answer is going to be positive. So 542 times 24 is 13,008. Pretty straightforward. The division of integers is actually the exact same thing. We'll say I don't know, 40 divided by 10 is 4. Well, negative 40 divided by 10 is negative 4. 40 divided by negative 10 is negative 4. and negative 40 divided by negative 10 is positive 4. It does this. You do it the same, just like multiplication, and you just count the number of negatives basically. And that's all for this one.